Just even in the first week of being here, I felt like I was part of this community. This is really where I belong. It's so nice being part of a community that accepts everyone, and you can do a sport, you can do theater, you can be part of, Women of Canterbury, and everyone is still friends, everyone comes together, everyone knows each other, everyone knows everyone's name, everyone knows what everyone does, and everyone can be their unique selves.
One of our attributes on the Hill is probably our open community, where you become friends with people from all over the world and create bonds with them that will last a lifetime.
No matter where you're from, what background you have, what you're in, what kind of sports you're into, what's your thing, everybody embraces it. It's allowed me to be more independent. It's allowed me to do so many things at once and be my full self, while also learning so much about not just myself, but the people around me and the world around me.
There's so many opportunities for you to really expand on characteristics and traits that you have, and just kind of really become the person that you want to be.
Well, the teachers are really nice here.
I think being able to live with your teachers and see them outside of the classroom helps create a better bond when you're in the classroom, and it helps more when you're trying to learn and create those relationships and make them stronger. Here they offered me so many opportunities that I couldn't pass up. I just had to take them and really step out of my comfort zone. Being at Canterbury made me enhance my character and made me very globally aware.
There's a lot of safety nets here at Canterbury, so you shouldn't be afraid to try new things. And I think once you try new things, you kind of establish who you want to be and who you are as a person.
I'm ready to start my journey. I'm ready to become, whatever I want to be, and you really get the opportunity to choose whatever path you want to take.
Really, it's your home away from home.
I would say just go for it.
Here at Canterbury, you could really do it all.
When I came to this school, it was clear that this school has an extraordinary foundation. And so as we head into the second century, year 101, this place that I have the privilege of helping to lead, the infrastructure is amazing. There are happy kids, there are talented faculty, there is a tradition and history that is unlike any other school. And so my job, our job collectively, is to sustain it, to move it forward, to ensure that we hold on to the parts of this school that are not just beloved, but that make it the school that it is.
The Canterbury moment is really going to be a pivotal time in Canterbury's history. Canterbury has come a long way over the last 10 years, but it's really just put us in a position to launch ourselves into the highest echelons of boarding school competition. The main purpose of the Canterbury moment is to grow our endowment. And we need to grow our endowment for people, for faculty, and for scholarship money for talented students and talented athletes.
Schools are buildings, but the people that taught us, both in the classroom as well as through athletics, made all of the difference for me.
They did a really good job with making us strive for the best and providing us with extra help if you need it.
And that was the first thing that struck me, was how nice the kids were, how genuine the kids were. And I thought that was one of the things that really hit home with me.
There's a real community around Canterbury. I really feel it when I meet people who are Canterbury graduates. There's an instant bond that you have.
It was a transformative life experience, and it was transformative academically, and it's transformative as people. And if possible, you'd like to pass that on to your children, have your children have that same experience that you had.
The Canterbury moment is an opportunity. This new chapter, this next exciting part of our school's history, this is something that all students and parents, faculty, staff, alumni, we want to be a part of this.
We're not looking to keep up with our competition, we want to jump over our competition.
The best way that I would talk to anybody that would like to listen to me about Canterbury and the time is to figure out a way to give back. You know, I'll go up to the school and speak to the students about BuzzFeed because they like it and they find it interesting. We talk about the business, but there's so many ways to give back.
We're going to need a lot of people to come forward and to contribute. And if you want to get the top students, you need to provide scholarships, and that scholarship money comes from the income that you get from having a large endowment.
If you come back to campus, you will know, you will see it, you will feel it viscerally that what is happening here, it's extraordinary, and you want to come and be a part of taking care of this school, of these students. You will know it because it's not just a happy place and a thriving place, but a place that...
I love that Canterbury is rooted in tradition, but we need the capacity to find the greatest teachers and have the greatest facilities, and our capital campaign will ensure that. I've chosen to contribute to the capital campaign because I'm so grateful for the time that I spent at Canterbury and what it did for me, my education, and my life.
I support Canterbury because it changed my life, and it changed my life for the better. And I feel like a good part of where I am right now started with Canterbury.
The cost of everything and the cost of having these facilities is enormous, and if good kids are going to be able to afford to come, for sure you have to support the place so that kids who can't afford it can come here.
I support Canterbury because it had a huge impact on my life and who I am today, and I want other people to benefit from Canterbury.
I would like to give my sincere thanks for those of you who have supported Canterbury for many years. It's your support, your commitment to Canterbury that has put us in a position to rise to greatness.
This is Canterbury's moment.
To accelerate our trajectory.
To forge a brighter future.
To invest in leadership.
Your support now, at this time of Canterbury's greatest promise,
will ensure that our shared aspirations become a reality.